Welcome to my channel. I'm gonna cut my hair today. Okay, so here's the deal. I want control over something because in the situation we are right now, we don't have control over anything, and I feel like I have like a little control over my hair, and I want to cut it because I'm tired of having long hair, to be honest, because I usually wear this to dry my hair and I just put it up. This is like sticking out, and when it's wet and I have it on the back here, it drips like whole drops on my shoulders, and it just it has annoyed me for so long, and I just like I love my hair now. Like I love the length of it, but you know, hair will grow back. Okay, hair will grow back. No worries. Just I don't know if I'm gonna do this. Should I do this? Okay, now I'm nervous. Okay, it is pretty long, but I feel like everyone's cutting their hair and coloring it in quarantine, and like I want to be one of those people because I can't stand on 2 feet alone, so I need to follow the stream. Like, no, I'm just kidding. But okay, I'm not kidding. I actually ordered some semi-permanent vintage pink hair dye in the mail, so it will be coming soon. So if you want to see that, then leave a like and comment down below if you want to see that. I don't know, but I'm using this IKEA scissor. It just looks so good with long hair, but I don't want long hair. Maybe my mom's right. She doesn't want me to cut my hair, but I really want to cut my hair. Just do it. Okay. I have not thought this through at all. I need a plastic bag to get the gist, you know? Okay, then maybe I should just like put it in one of the sinks or something. I don't know. I have not thought this through. Okay, so I just washed my hair and I just let it air dry. So this is what my hair normally looks like. And this is like before I cut it. Okay, so I'm thinking like right here or something. Hair will grow back, right? Hair will grow back. I know my English sucks, but you just gotta roll with it, you know? It's super frizzy and split ends and everything. Like one end becomes two. Okay, I'm just gonna do it, you know, just shut up and do it. So these were the only rubber bands I can find. So my mom just brought me food and apple juice. Perks of living at home, you know. Okay. So I think I'm gonna do that, but if Brad Mondo watches this, then I'm so sorry. I love you, but I'm so sorry. I think it's even. Like, does it look even to you? I was gonna say comment down below, but then it's already too late, so. You know what? I'm just gonna do it. Okay, I'm just gonna do it. I'm so gonna regret this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that. That's. Oh yeah. Oh my god. It's so short. Oh, back's actually not that bad. Is it? I can't see. I can't see the back. I can't see the back. Holy hell, it just stops. What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that. Can you focus? Okay, I'm freaking out right now. It's so short. Like, the back doesn't, I don't know, does it too? Gotta get a mirror, sorry. Okay, so I have a reverse bob. Oh gosh. Okay, it's time to cut the other one. Okay, good. Oh god. I want to cut. I don't understand. Do I have the wrong way or something? Idiot flag number 1. Ow! Come on, come on. Maybe this IKEA scissor will do a better job than its sister. It's not even at all. Oh gosh. Look at that. It's not even at all. Look at that. What does the back look like? I need my mirror. Oh, it's not actually that bad. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh. It's time for some cleanup here. Like, this is... Why is this much... That's better, right? Okay, I gotta stop. Okay, so to be honest, the front doesn't look that bad. Actually, I think I kind of saved it or something. Whoa, okay. Don't do this at home. Or you have to do this at home, but just be careful, okay? It's not actually too bad. What can you say? It doesn't look bad, to be honest. It doesn't look bad at all. Like, what the... I know you guys can see it, but I can't see it, but it's like this. Okay, is that better? Because I think I did a pretty decent job, you know? It didn't break. Okay, so I did a little cleaning up and it looks great. I don't know, for like a home cut or something, I think it looks kind of good. I'm proud of myself, I really am. I'm proud of myself. And like in the back, I think I cleaned it up okay. I'm good. I should be like a person who cuts hair, you know? I should be that person, you know? I should be that person. Ooh, this looks good. Oh, holy. Just look at the before and after photos. I'm shook. Okay, I'm shooketh. I'm shooketh. This is actually pretty good. Like, chop it off. Chop it. But the back actually turned out pretty good. I must say. Okay, so if you want to see videos of me coloring my hair pink, semi-pink, comment down below, leave it a like, subscribe. Just want to say that this video was inspired by Cynthia Howell. She had like super long hair and she cut it, so I will link her video in the description box below, so please check that out. Her hair was amazing and she also colored it black, so you should definitely check that out. And if you like my new hair, give it a thumbs up, please. It will mean the world to me, and subscribe because I'm gonna do a lot more fun videos like this one. So if you like this one, subscribe and I'll see you soon.